An air fryer is a kitchen appliance used to cook food by circulating hot air around it. The device consists of a heating element and a fan that circulates hot air around the food, creating a crispy outer layer. Here's how it works. First, the air fryer needs to be preheated to the desired temperature. Once it's heated, the food is placed in the air fryer basket, which is located inside the main compartment of the air fryer. The basket allows hot air to circulate around the food, evenly cooking it. As the food cooks, hot air is circulated around it by a fan located on the top of the appliance. This hot air replaces the oil used in traditional frying, resulting in a healthier, oil-free option. Air fryers also have a timer and temperature control, allowing users to adjust the cooking time and temperature to their desired settings. Overall, air fryers provide a healthier alternative to traditional deep frying, while still delivering crispy, delicious food.